Hey guys, Sean Murphy here with Living on the South Shore of MA. Today, I want to take you on a little tour. Me and my dog Bonnie here, I want to take you on a little tour of one of my favorite hidden gem neighborhoods in Hingham. A lot of people, A, don't know about this place. Number two, they think it's a 55+ community, which it is not. So without further ado, guys, let's go through the Meadows right over by Hingham High School, and let's show you around. Now, before we get to the Meadows, I want to show you where Hingham is on the South Shore here. You'll notice Boston top left, and that red pin there is downtown Hingham, blue pin being the Meadows. So super central location, also in the East Elementary District. Now, if you want a more in-depth look into the town of Hingham, definitely check out our Welcome to Town video on the YouTube channel, as well as our Google Maps town tour also here on the YouTube channel. Now, as we zoom in to the Meadows and where it is, you'll notice Hingham High School there on the right. And as we start orbiting around the Meadows here, this development was built in 1984. It's on 54 acres of land. You'll notice a ton of open space, tennis courts, community pool, community clubhouse. But most of these units are built in 5-unit clusters. Every unit has a 2-car garage, which is fantastic. And this was actually originally built on the first Hornstra Farm, built in 1915. This is the original barn just on the outskirts of the property. And guys, as a side note, if you've never been to Hornstra Farm in Norwell, you've got to check it out. It's got an amazing farm store. It's got an ice cream stand in the summertime. You can take farm tours as well with the little kiddos. It's a great spot. Anyways, back to the Meadows, guys. Now, this development is made up of 2 streets, Floret Circle and Thistle Patch Way. As you enter in, there is 1 entrance in, 1 exit. So you don't get any through traffic. The only people that are coming in and out of here are people that live here or family and friends that are visiting. But as you come in, you'll notice it has very much a country club feel to it. This security gatehouse, not a functioning gatehouse, but it's got a great look to it. Clubhouse there behind it, that red building. Now, all the people that live within here, they have access to this clubhouse. They have access to the pool, which is right behind this red fence here. They have access to the tennis courts. And, you know, your HOA fees pay for that, and those range from about $920 to $980 a month. Also pays for snow removal, landscaping, etc., etc. But a lot of pathways in this development, so plenty of people are out walking their dogs, riding their bikes, going for walks. And again, it's all enclosed, so there's no through traffic. A great, great spot for families or people looking to downsize. Now, as we get some views of some of the units here, they range, again, there are 2-floor units, 1-floor units, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom units. There are no one-bedroom units. But these were built in 1984, so some of them have been updated, some of them still have not and need it, but a lot of potential within even some of the ones that haven't. Now, prices range from $1.1 million to $1.6 million. Those were the stats from over the past 2 years. But guys, I can't stress this enough. This is one of my hidden gem neighborhoods in Hingham, especially for young families. An unbelievable place for kids to ride their bikes around, go swimming in the summer, and just have access to all these amenities. Any questions, anything I can help you with, you let me know, but thanks for watching.